Top 10 ways that is guaranteed to bring massive sales into your furniture business. See, if you are a furniture maker, you're an interior decorator, or you're someone that runs a furniture showroom and you are battling the issue of sales, or you want to start making more sales, massive sales into your furniture business, this video is for you, because all I am going to be sharing in this video is what over 100,000 furniture companies around the world, I mean successful furniture companies. There is no furniture company on this planet Earth that is not doing what I am going to be revealing to you in this video. In case you don't know me, my name is Suleiman. I am the founder of Helping Furniture Business Group, the first and the only furniture marketing agency in the whole of Africa. Right at Helping Furniture Business Group, we help you by teaching you how to grow your furniture business, things you need to start doing in your furniture business. We also help you while you hire us to help grow your furniture business. So when it comes to furniture marketing and how you can successfully own and grow a successful furniture business, this is a community you want to be. Now, what is the first thing you should start doing as from today if you've not been doing it? And if you are doing it and you are not doing it right, you're going to be getting a first-hand information on how to start doing it right and how to start it as from today. The first thing I want you to start doing is social media advertisement. What is social media advertisement? Social media advertisement is the process whereby you go on the social platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube, whereby you can go on those platforms, register your business there, create a business account for your company. Either you own a big organization or you own a small business you just want to start. Go and create a social media account for your business. I'm going to be giving you full details. I am going to tell you what you need to do and how you need to do it. We are going to be talking about why social media advertisement. We are also going to be talking about the types of video you need to be posting on social media before you advertise. And the last thing we are also going to be talking about is the promotion strategy. How are you supposed to be promoting your business? I'm going to be telling you in this video, and that is the most important thing. That is where a lot of people make mistakes, and that's exactly what we are going to be discussing last in this video. Now, let's talk about social media advertisement. I've given you the platforms whereby you can use, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, WhatsApp, all these platforms. Why is it important that you use them? That is the second thing. The first reason why it is important you use them is because there are billions of people on this platform. At the front of that your showroom, 10 million people cannot pass the front of your showroom in a single day. But on social media, over 20 million can see your content in a single day. Over 20 million people. A single viral video can change your life entirely. The second reason why you should be using social media for your business is because it is the cheapest means of advertisement that you can ever get, most especially for people who are just starting up. On social media, you can set up adverts with 20,000, 40,000, 50,000, minimum of 20,000. Actually, you can set adverts below that amount, but I never advise anyone to do that. Because the more people that sees your business, the more people will know about your business, and the more they are going to buy from you. The less they see, the less your chance of making sales. So I would not advise you to burn away your money. That's the reason why I do tell people you invest minimum of 20,000 whenever you want to set up advertisements. Now, take a look at radio adverts, television adverts, billboard adverts. Those kind of adverts, you can't set it up. You can't go to those people if you don't have millions of naira. If you're just starting up and you can just use 20,000, 50,000 to set up adverts, and it is going to bring sales to you. I mean real sales, because I'm going to be telling you the type of people you should target that will bring a lot of sales into your business. Now, the third reason why you should use social media for your business is because your business will be able to show up as search results. You see, search result is like when people go on either Facebook or TikTok and search for interior decorator in Abuja, furniture maker in Lagos. If your page is well optimized, your page is going to be among the companies that is going to show up. That Facebook or TikTok or Instagram is going to show them when they are in search mode. But if you don't have a well optimized page, you might not be among the people that is going to be showing up. And I have a good news for you before this video comes to an end, if you want to know how to do that. Now, let's move to the next thing. What are the types of video that you should be posting and promoting online. Because when I just tell you social media advertisement and I don't tell you the types of video you should be posting before you advertise, that's not a complete information. The first video you should be posting if you want to start making sales with advertisement is before and after video. You see, that project you want to work on, video that plays how it is as an interior decorator, the presently, how you meet it presently, and when you finish it, video it again. Let people see that from the beginning, this is the beginning and this is the outcome. People appreciate that a lot. It presents you as an authority. The second video you need to start posting is installation. As I've said earlier, let's assume you are as a furnisher, you want to make a TV console for a home. Now, that TV console, in the process of installation, you have to video it, every single process of it. The before and after will come into the video because it is an installation video. I hope you get that. If you are posting this type of video, there is huge guarantee that you are going to make sales. The third type of video you should be posting is customers' reaction. That chair you made for that customer, when you go and deliver it, what is their reaction? Are they happy about it? Are they sad about it? If they are sad, you don't want to video it and post it online. I will not lie to you. But when they are happy, video their reaction. They might even tell you and tell people about you in the video, in the process of making it, but make sure they are aware that you want to video them. You'll be like, wow, in fact, I like this chair. Thank God. In fact, see how soft is it? I can't believe. Are you sure you are the one that made this chair? Wow, even the one I bought, which is a lot of money, is not as good as this. See how comfortable it is. You see that reaction, you want to video it and post it online. The next type of video you want to be posting is customer testimonial. You see, all those people you've worked with earlier, all those people you have delivered for earlier, that you've made their furniture, you've designed their home, go and meet them, let them give you reviews, let them give you testimonial, let them say good things about your business. Now, when they give you a video review, because a video review is the best type of testimonial you can ever get, that people will easily believe it. Imagine you've made this chair I am sitting on for me for the past 2-3 years, and it's still intact without no issue. You now ask me for a review, I will be very happy to share that review. I'll be like, guys, see you. Now the chair where Tochukwu Furniture make for me be this so. Now the chair where Samsung Furniture make for me be this so. In fact, I've been using it for the past 2 years. In fact, I don't regret buying from those guys. They are very, very good. In fact, may God bless you guys. Keep up the good work. You see that thing, that little review that person gave to you, or that person is going to give to you, if you bring it online and promote it, while you promote that little video, at the end of that video, you now put maybe your showroom video whereby people can see other products that you sell. I can guarantee you that you are going to make massive sales. I mean, a lot of sales. The next type of video you want to be posting is what? Your workshop video. You see, that's your workshop. Your showroom or your workshop, do the video and post it. Let people know that you are real. Let people know that that location that you said you are in that location. The next type of video you want to be posting is time-lapse video. As I've said earlier, imagine you've made a TV console for someone for the past 3-4 years. It has been a time lapse. There's a gap between it, a very wide gap. And they're still telling you that this thing is still intact as you have fixed it or as you have brought it for them ever since then. You see, that type of video quickly build trust at the mind of your audience, so they will easily buy from you. And the last but not the least is a 3D room visualization, especially for interior decorators. Now, as an interior decorator that you are, you can just do a 3D visualization. If you don't know how to do it, go to people who do 3D. I won't lie to you, this is a little bit expensive, but it is worth it. Imagine, I don't know you as an interior decorator before, and I have a house I am building presently. And I saw your 3D visualization that if you have a 3-bedroom apartment, this is exactly how you can furnish it. You now start showing it, how I can furnish it, the type of chair I can use, how I'm going to design my home, my room, my kids' room, my wife's room, my room, master's room. You now show everything in a perfect way, psychologically you are telling me that you are an expert in what you do. So the chance of me calling you to come and help me decorate my home is very, very high because you have proven yourself as an expert to me. Now, let's get to the most amazing part. But before we do that, please, if you are watching this video on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, if you're watching this on YouTube, I will advise you to subscribe to this channel because this is the only channel in the whole of Africa that is teaching you how you can successfully own and grow a successful furniture business. And if you own a big organization, this channel is going to teach you how you can scale your business. We are talking about 10 things, but this is the fourth part. I am still going to be bringing the next part tomorrow. You don't want to miss out that because it is highly more informative even than this. And it is really going to help you, help your business grow. So subscribe to that channel or click on that follow button. Now, how can you promote that your furniture business online with advertisement? You see, this is not the situation whereby you will go online after you've created your page, you start posting on it several times. You now click on that boost post. You see that boost post under your page. You don't want to use that thing at all to promote your business. I won't lie to you. You must learn or hire professionals like us at helping furniture business grow to help you set up that advertisement. But if you know how to do it yourself, let me tell you the right audience you should be targeting as from today in your ads manager so that you can get a lot of sales. The first person is homeowners. The second person is newly married couple. The third person is interior designers. The fourth person is real estate investors. And why should you target interior designer? If you are a furniture maker or someone that owns a furniture showroom, that is when you can target interior designers. But if you are not a furniture maker, that you are an interior designer, you don't want to put interior designer in your option. Do you understand? In your targeting, you remove interior designer. It's not for you that is doing interior business. Now, the fifth person is high income owners, people that can afford what you want to sell to them, people that can afford to buy it. And the last but not the least are people building houses. You see, people building houses, the chance of them buying from you, if you keep showing up in their FYP, if you keep showing up on their feed, is very, very high. And let me give you one expo. I'm not supposed to tell you this, but I'm going to tell you so that you can make massive sales. You can benefit from this. You see, if you want to set up advertisement, please make sure you are putting engaged shoppers or online shopping. You see, what this is going to help your advertisement do is that Facebook is going to target people who their behavior is they always like to buy something online. That is the meaning. Engaged shopper is people who have been buying something. It is not today that they've been buying something online. They will keep buying something every time. You see, if you are a furniture maker or an interior decorator and you want to start making massive sales, I have put together a complete course that is going to teach you how to start, how to create the page, how to set up the page, how to make your post go viral, how to get connections, how to set up advertisements, everything you need. I have put it together, and the course is selling for 50,000 naira. But because you watched this video till the end, I am going to be giving you for 100% free the course. But because I want only serious people to have access to this course, people whereby they will implement everything they learn, I have put together a book that is only designed for sales. It will teach you a lot about sales, what you need to know about sales, how you need to start getting massive sales. And this book is only for people who are going to watch this video. Because you watch this video, I'm going to be giving you this book for 5,500 naira only. And once you get this book, you will have access to the 50,000 naira course for free. Because I understand that when people don't invest a little bit in something, they don't take it serious. I've written over 5 books now for people who have been following this our community, and I give it out for free. A lot of people don't even read it because they don't invest a little bit of amount. This book is sold for 15,000, but because you're watching this video, I'm going to be giving you for just 5,500 naira, only for the people who are going to watch this video. So click on the link below this video. You are going to see it either in the description on YouTube or if you're watching this on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, check the comment section. You're going to see the link. If you don't see it, send us a DM. We are going to share the link with you.